Hey there, guys. Chet here. Today, we're comparing Shopify and Framer in a simple and clear way so that you can easily understand which platform is good or what the platforms are good at and which one fits your needs. They're very different tools, and that's why this comparison will help you pick the right one without confusion. But before we start, here's a special offer. If you want to build your Shopify store the right way, check the link below for a 3-day Shopify free trial and the $1 per month offer. You'll also get my complete Shopify course so that you can set everything up with confidence. Let's get started. Let's start with a short overview of both platforms. Shopify is mainly built for people who want to sell products online. It gives you everything that you need to run a store, like adding products, managing inventory, tracking orders, and accepting payments. It is strong, stable, and trusted by many business owners. On the other hand, Framer is more about building beautiful and modern websites. It's great for designers, creators, and anyone really who wants a stylish site and animations and custom layouts. Framer is not focused on e-commerce the way Shopify is, but it shines when it comes to design freedom. Let's move on to features. Shopify gives you tools for almost every part of running an online store. You can create product pages, make discount codes, recover abandoned carts, and look at your sales data. There are thousands of apps that you can add to your store to get even more features. This makes Shopify a complete solution if selling online is your main goal. Now, Framer works differently. Framer gives you a visual editor where you can drag and drop elements, design sections, and add interactions. You can create clean layouts, smooth animations, and very unique pages without any coding. It does allow you to sell digital or physical products, but only in a simple way and not at the level Shopify offers. Let's talk about user experience. Shopify is very easy to use, but because it has many tools, you might need a little time to learn the dashboard. Once you get used to it, though, things feel smooth and organized. Framer, on the other hand, is built with a design first mindset. You see your page as you edit it, which makes the whole process very simple and enjoyable if you like visual editing. It feels more like a creative tool than a business dashboard. Let's look at customization. Shopify gives you themes that you can edit, and you can change colors, images, sections, and layouts. But if you want something fully custom, you may need coding. Framer gives you complete control from the start. You can design every part of your page, move things freely, and create your own layout without any limits. This makes Framer better for people who care more about the look and feel of their site. When it comes to integrations, Shopify is the clear winner because it connects with thousands of apps, whether it's marketing, shipping, payments, or automation. Shopify has something for everything. Framer has fewer integrations, but it still supports useful tools like forms, analytics, and SEO tools. All right, now let's discuss pricing. Framer's basic plan is $15 per month. Pro is $45 per month, and the scale plan has custom pricing. Shopify's basic is $25 per month. Grow is $65 a month. Advanced is $399 per month, and Plus is $2,300 per month. Now, the big question is, which one should you choose? If you want a real online store with strong e-commerce tools, Shopify is the best choice. But if you want a beautiful and fully customized website that focuses more on design and visuals, then Framer is perfect for you. All right, that's it for the video. If you want to start your Shopify store today, check the link below. You unlock the 3-day Shopify free trial and the $1 per month offer, and then you get my full Shopify course that takes you from setup to launch. If this comparison helped you, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.